Okay, in this lesson, we're going to look at simplifying algebraic expressions, and we've kind of already dabbled a little bit in this already. So, combining like terms. So, let's talk about some vocabulary here. We have an algebraic expression we've already talked about is made up of terms. So, the coefficient is the number multiplying a variable. For example, in the term 7x, the coefficient is 7. Like terms have the same variable raised to the same exponent. So their coefficients can certainly be different. So like terms, same variable, same exponent. And so some examples, 3x and negative 5x are like terms. 2y, 7y, like terms. 4x and 6y are not like terms. They have different variables. So in order for us to combine like terms by adding or subtracting, they have to be like terms. So let's look at some examples. 3x plus 5x. Well, 3x plus 5x, those are like terms. I can add those, and I'm just going to get 8x. All right, this next one, simplify 4x plus 3y minus 2x plus 6y. I highly recommend, I did this in an earlier example in a different video, that we write like terms right beside each other if they're not already. So in this case, 4x and a negative 2x are like terms. So I'm just going to put those right beside each other. And then 3y and 6y are also like terms. So I'm going to move those beside each other. We can move these terms around. Now, as I've mentioned before, I typically will say plus a negative. And for me, that helps emphasize the fact that that negative sign is attached to the number. And so in this case, 4x plus a negative 2x is just 2x. And then 3y plus, a typo here, it's 3y plus 6y. So 3y plus 6y is 9y. Can I combine these? No, they are not like terms. We have different variables. So that is your final answer. Okay, but this next one, x squared plus 3x squared minus 2x. So in this case, my like terms are already beside each other, so I don't have to rearrange any terms. So x squared plus 3x squared is what? We got to be a little careful here. We have to understand that there's an understood 1 here, so it's a 1x squared. So if I even read it out loud to you, 1x squared plus 3x squared, I think you see it a little bit more clearly. We get 4x squared and then bring down the minus 2x. Can I combine those? No. We have to have the same variables, the same exponents. And I have different exponents here. There's an understood exponent of a 1 here. I don't typically write it in. So that would be the final answer.